Are you ready to tackle 10 exciting frugal challenges that will transform your finances and leave you feeling empowered? Let's delve into a world of creative ways to save money and discover the beauty of ways to save money and discover the beauty of living a life filled with abundance, not just materially, but also in spirit. Frugal challenge. Track your spending. Grasp a comprehensive grasp of your financial standing and become the master of your money with this challenge. By monitoring your expenditures, you'll be able to pinpoint areas for improvement and increase your savings. Think of it as a personal financial compass, guiding you through the complex landscape of expenses and avoiding financial traps. You'll be astounded by how the accumulation of minor purchases can deplete your savings over time. Keeping tabs on your spending is an effective yet straightforward technique for staying on top of your finances. All you need is a bit of self-discipline, a notebook, or a budgeting app to begin. With each transaction recorded, you'll gain a deeper understanding of your spending habits and be able to make smarter decisions on where to allocate your funds. Don't let your hard-earned money slip away. Harness the power of monitoring your spending and embark on a journey towards financial stability. Take that initial step now and witness your savings soar. Frugal Challenge 2. Cook more meals at home. This challenge is all about embracing your inner chef and creating delicious, home-cooked meals that will tantalize your taste buds and save you money. Eating out can be tempting, but it can quickly add up and drain your finances. By cooking more meals at home, you'll be able to enjoy the flavors of your favorite dishes without breaking the bank. Not to mention, you'll have full control over the ingredients you use, allowing you to make healthier choices and avoid harmful additives found in many restaurant dishes. Cooking at home is also a great way to bond with loved ones. As you work together in the kitchen to create culinary masterpieces, you'll be surprised at how much fun you can have experimenting with new recipes and ingredients, and the sense of accomplishment that comes with serving a meal you made from scratch. So, dust off your cookbook and let's get started on this culinary adventure. With each home-cooked meal, you'll be savoring the flavors of frugality and paving the way towards a more financially secure future. Frugal Challenge 3. Reduce energy costs. Maximize your energy efficiency, minimize waste, and save big on your utility bills with this challenge. It's a chance to utilize the natural elements like the sun, wind, and more to illuminate your life without putting a strain on your wallet. With a few tweaks to your daily routine, you can decrease your energy costs, lessen your carbon footprint, and enhance your living experience all at once. From exchanging conventional light bulbs with energy-saving ones, to switching off electronics when not in use, to sealing up leaky windows and doors, the possibilities for savings are numerous. By taking the reins of your energy consumption, you'll be shocked at how much you can save and feel proud knowing you're doing your part for the environment. So, let's take the first step towards an energy-saving journey. With each step we take, we'll tap into the power of thriftiness and shape a brighter, more sustainable future for all of us. Frugal Challenge 4. Cut back on impulse purchases. This challenge is about taking control of your spending habits, avoiding frivolous expenses, and keeping more money in your pocket. Impulse purchases can be the ultimate thief of your hard-earned cash, sneaking up on you when you least expect it and draining your finances before you know it. But by cutting back on these expenses, you can take control of your spending and steer clear of financial pitfalls. Think of it as a way to cultivate financial mindfulness, a practice that helps you stay focused on your financial goals and avoid the temptation to spend money on things you don't really need. By taking a step back and considering each purchase, you'll be able to make informed decisions about where to allocate your resources and achieve your financial dreams. So, let's break free from the chains of impulse spending and take control of our finances. With each mindful purchase, we'll be harnessing the power of frugality and creating a more financially secure future for ourselves and those we love. Frugal Challenge 5. Use public transportation or carpool. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Driving alone can be costly, with gas prices, maintenance costs, and parking fees all adding up quickly. By using public transportation or carpooling, you can reduce your transportation costs and enjoy a more relaxed, stress-free commute. Think of it as a chance to reconnect with your community, a chance to sit back, relax, and enjoy the scenery while someone else takes care of the driving. By sharing the road, you'll be able to save money and reduce your carbon footprint, all while building relationships and making the most of your daily commute. So, grab your ticket and join the Savings Express. With each mile traveled via public transportation or carpool, we'll be tapping into the power of frugality and creating a brighter, more sustainable future for us all. Frugal Challenge 6. Shop secondhand. Uncover the hidden wonders, cut costs on your daily essentials, and lower your carbon footprint with this challenge. Embrace the art of secondhand shopping and embark on a thrilling adventure where you'll be able to save money and make a positive impact on the environment. By opting for pre-owned items, you can secure amazing deals, reduce waste, and preserve our planet. Consider it as a chance to give new life to items that would otherwise go to waste, a chance to unearth hidden treasures and turn them into cherished possessions. By embracing the art of secondhand shopping, you'll contribute to a more sustainable future for yourself and those around you. So let's join forces and embark on the hunt for hidden treasures through secondhand shopping. With each frugal find, we'll tap into the power of thriftiness and create a more sustainable, financially secure future for all. Frugal Challenge 7. Practice mindful spending. Mindful spending is about taking the time to consider each purchase, weighing the benefits and drawbacks, and making decisions that align with your financial goals. By being intentional with your money, you'll be able to avoid financial pitfalls, stay on track with your goals, and make the most of your hard-earned cash. Think of it as a way to cultivate financial awareness, a practice that helps you stay focused on what's truly important and avoid the temptation to spend money on things you don't really need. By embracing mindful spending, you'll be able to create a more secure financial future for yourself and those you love. So let's get intentional with our finances and start practicing mindful spending today. With each informed decision, we'll be tapping into the power of frugality and creating a more financially secure future for us all. Frugal Challenge 8. Get creative with gift giving. Gift giving can be an expensive affair, but it doesn't have to be. By getting creative with your gifts, you can show your love and appreciation in meaningful ways without putting a dent in your budget. Think of it as an opportunity to tap into your inner artist, a chance to create something unique and personal that your loved ones will cherish. From homemade treats to handmade trinkets, there are countless ways to show your love without spending a fortune. So let's get creative with our gift giving and start expressing our love in new and innovative ways. With each thoughtful gesture, we'll be tapping into the power of frugality and creating a more financially secure future for us all. Frugal Challenge 9. Reduce water usage. Water usage can add up quickly, from showering to washing dishes, but by making a few simple changes, you can significantly reduce your water usage and lower your monthly utility bills. Think of it as a way to make a difference, a chance to do your part in protecting our planet for future generations. From fixing leaky faucets to opting for drought-resistant plants, there are countless ways to reduce your water usage and make a positive impact on the environment. So let's get started on reducing our water usage and start doing our part in creating a greener future. With each drop saved, we'll be tapping into the power of frugality and creating a more financially secure future for us all. Frugal Challenge 10. Start a garden. Starting a garden is a fun and fulfilling way to bring a little bit of nature into your life. By growing your own fruits, vegetables, and herbs, you can enjoy fresh produce, reduce your grocery bill, and learn a new skill. Think of it as a way to get in touch with your green thumb, a chance to nurture and grow your own little corner of the world. From container gardening to starting a full-fledged vegetable garden, there are countless ways to get started with gardening. So let's get our hands dirty and start our own gardens. With each seed planted, we'll be tapping into the power of frugality and creating a more financially secure future for us all. And with that, we've reached the end of our journey through the 10 frugal challenges. By embracing these challenges, you've taken the first steps towards a more financially secure future and a more sustainable lifestyle. So take a moment to reflect on what you've learned and celebrate your successes along the way. And most importantly, remember to keep experimenting, trying new things, and finding what works best for you.